Good afternoon, everybody. This is Art with Pro Italia, just coming here to show you a 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. It's pretty clean. It's got new fork seals, newish tires, slip-on acro exhaust, RG Racing exhaust hanger, RG Racing frame sliders. I only noticed one blemish here, a little drop. Really clean bike. Other than that, we'll go in for a nice little wash. $18,778. Cold start. Let's find out what else there is. Turn signal works. Horn. Crazy that these stickers are still here. Everybody takes them off. Give a little rev. Still cold, so I'm not going to rev it hard. Just enough to hear. You guys, girls, come check it out. We do allow test rides. We do take in trades. And we also do ship nationwide to at least the lower 48. Any questions or concerns? Again, my name is Art. Give us a call and we're more than happy to help.